In today's video, I am going to answer a very common question that I get a lot. What is artificial intelligence? You have probably heard of artificial intelligence or AI for short. But do you really know what it means? AI is the science of creating smart machines that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, AI can help us communicate with voice assistants like Siri or Alexa, navigate with self-driving cars like Tesla or Waymo, find information with search engines like Google or Bing, and diagnose diseases with medical software like IBM Watson or DeepMind Health. AI is everywhere and it's changing our lives in many ways. But how smart are these machines really? Well, it depends on how you define intelligence. There are different levels of intelligence that AI can achieve, depending on how well they can learn and reason. The most basic level is narrow AI. Narrow AI can only do a specific task very well, such as playing chess or recognizing faces. This is kind of the AI that we have today, and it's pretty impressive, but also very limited. The next level is general AI. General AI can do any task that a human can do, such as understanding language or solving problems. This is the kind of the AI that we see in movies like Terminator or The Matrix, and it's very scary, but also very far from the reality. The highest level is super AI. Super AI can do anything that a human or any other intelligent being can do, and even more. This is the kind of the AI that we can't even imagine, and it may never exist, but if it does, it could either save us or destroy us. AI is an exciting and fast-changing field that has many opportunities and challenges for our future. If you want to learn more about AI and how it works, stay tuned for my next videos, where I will introduce you to some of the most innovative companies in AI of 2023. These are the companies that are pushing the boundaries of AI and creating amazing products and services that you should know about. Here are the top 10 companies in AI of 2023. OpenAI, DeepMind, Builder.ai, Speechmatics, Unlearn, Pano AI, Signified, NVIDIA, and Voxer. Let's briefly know about these companies. OpenAI is a research organization that aims to create artificial general intelligence that can benefit humanity without causing harm or being controlled by anyone. OpenAI is behind some of the most advanced AI systems in the world, such as ChatGPT, which can generate natural language text on any topic, and DALL-E, which can create images from text descriptions. Second one is DeepMind, a subsidiary of Google that focuses on creating artificial intelligence neural networks that can learn from data and experience to solve complex problems across various domains. They are famous for creating AlphaGo, which can beat world champion of Go, a game that is considered to be more difficult than chess. The third one is Builder.ai. Builder.ai is a platform that allows anyone to create custom software application without coding or technical skills. You just need to tell them what you want your app to do, and they will build it for you using AI and pre-made components. The fourth one is Abnormal Security, a company that uses AI to detect and stop email attacks that bypasses traditional security tools. They use natural language processing and behavioral analysis to identify malicious mails and block them before they reach your inbox. The fifth one is Speechmatics, a company that provides accurate and scalable speech recognition and transcription services for various languages and dialects. They use deep learning and neural networks to convert speech to text in real time with high accuracy and low latency. The sixth one is Unlearn, a company that uses AI to create digital twins of patients that can be used to improve clinical trials and drug development. They use machine learning and generative models to simulate how patients will respond to different treatments and reduce the time and cost of testing new drugs. The seventh one is Pano AI. Pano AI uses AI to create immersive and interactive 360-degree videos for various purposes such as education, entertainment, and tourism. They are computer vision and natural language understanding to analyze videos and generate captions, questions, answers, and feedback for viewers. The company on the 8th position is Signified. Signified uses AI to protect online businesses from fraud and abuse for verifying customers and transactions in real time. They use machine learning and big data to analyze hundreds of signals such as device fingerprints, geolocation, behavioral analytics, and social media profiles to detect fraudsters and prevent chargebacks. The company on the 9th position is NVIDIA, a leading company in graphics processing unit that also develops AI hardware and software for various applications such as gaming, robotics, and healthcare. They are the creators of CUDA, a parallel computing platform that enables developers to use GPUs for general purpose computing, and Jetson, a platform that enables edge AI computing for devices such as drones, cameras, and robots. The last one is Voxel. Voxel uses AI to create realistic and customizable 3D models of human and animals that can be used for animation, gaming, and virtual reality. They use generative adversarial networks, in short form GANs, and photogrammetry. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in comments what you think about AI and what topics you want me to cover next. I love reading your feedback and suggestions. Thanks for watching.